everyone, I am Kangan Fauzdar and you're watching Weekly Highlights. Let's get started with the first news. The 64th Foundation Day of Daulat Ram College, Delhi was celebrated with great enthusiasm on March 17, where BLSP's National Chairman Shri Neeraj Raizada attended as the chief guest. The event saw the presence of over 600 attendees. In his address, he delivered a highly impactful and inspiring presentation on Ekal Abhiyan and highlighted its work, motivating many students and faculty members to express their interest in joining the Abhiyan. Overall, the event was inspiring, successful and purpose-driven. An ARC training camp was organized by Arogya Foundation of India, Ekal Arogya Gram Sangathan North Gujarat Division for Kharsana and Limdi unit. The valedictory session was attended by Dr. Hareshwar Devi, patron of Ekal Arogya Gram Sangathan, and Dr. C.K. Timbadia, Vice Chancellor of GNFSU, along with other dignitaries. A sewing training center WEC under Ekal Gramothan Foundation was inaugurated in Srinagar. The event was attended by Srimati Lata Goyal, Ekal Sambhag Vatsalya Sanch Prabhari, Srimati Nisha Agarwal, Vice President Mahila Samiti, and Shri Rajesh Sahu, Sangathan Prabhari Anchal Surajpur, WEC Center in charge, along with Acharyas. All guests appreciated the role of WEC Srinagar in empowering women. The center aims to provide training for self-employment. A 3-day central workshop on primary education under Ekal Abhiyan was successfully held at Ekal Bhavan, Pitampura, Delhi. The inauguration session was attended by Shri Suman Dheer, Adhyaksh Kendriya Karyakarini Ekal Abhiyan, Shri Rajiv Agrawal, Rashtriya Mahamantri BLSP, Shri Lallan Sharma, Kendriya Abhiyan Pramukh, along with the Central Primary Education team. A total of 17 subjects were discussed across various sessions. The closing session was attended by Srimati Madhuri Agarwal, Up Pradhan Mahila Samiti BLSP, Shri Vijay Gupta Koshadhyaksh BLSP, and Shri Madhavan Primary Education Prabhari Prabhag 10. Ekal Shri Hari Vanvasi Foundation organized a grand Kavi Sammelan titled Holi Ke Rang Kaviyon Ke Sang to raise funds for Ekal Abhiyan service. The event began with a Bharat Mata song by the Mahila Samiti members, followed by traditional lamp lighting. Shri Mahesh Mittal, National President of Ekal Shri Hari, attended as the chief guest. Renowned poets including Padma Shri Surendra Sharma, Shri Ehsan Qureshi, Shri Dinesh Bavra and Shri Rohit Sharma delivered engaging performances. Ekal Abhiyan Jammu Division organized a 3-day Naveen Karyakarta Chayan Varg, which has now concluded successfully. The training camp was inaugurated under the leadership of Shri Dhanveer Singh, Sambhag Upadhyaksh, and Shri Madan Lal, Adhyaksh Primary Education. The objective was to fulfill the requirement of Karyakartas across various units and strengthen the organization. Through intellectual sessions, participants were inspired towards nation building and service. Addressing the closing session, Shri Neeraj Kumarji also guided the Karyakartas about their responsibilities and goals. The Draupadi Ekanki Natya program organized by the BLSP North Delhi chapter was held grandly at Technia Auditorium, Delhi, showcasing the powerful themes of women empowerment, self-respect and dharma. The performance deeply moved the audience. Renowned artist Srimati Anjana Chandakji delivered a compelling portrayal of Draupadi as a symbol of strength against injustice. The main objective of the event was to raise support for the education of children in rural and tribal areas. National Chairman Shri Neeraj Raizada ji highlighted the work of Ekal Abhiyan and inspired everyone to join the movement.
On the auspicious occasion of Chaitra Shukla Pratipada, the Hindu New Year was celebrated across the country under the support of Ekal Abhiyan with great enthusiasm and grandeur. Various religious and cultural programs were organized in different states, including puja, havans, processions and cultural events. With active participation from children, youth and women, in many places, grand processions were taken out by the Utsav department. Through these events, a message of Indian culture, traditions and renewed consciousness was conveyed.
So that was it for the week. For all other information related to Ekal Abhiyan, keep watching Ekal Bharat.